how to unblock someone on Instagram. So there's two ways to do it, and it's very easy to do just in case you're someone who blocked someone a long time ago and you just want to unblock their profile. That way they can see your posts and your stories and things like that. So what you want to do is go to Instagram, and for example, if I just want to block this person here, go ahead and view their profile. And from here, all you have to do is go to the three dots at the top right-hand corner here and go ahead and hit block. You can also, and I will hit block here, you can also stay on the page if you recently did this or if you're doing it in real time, and you can go ahead and hit those three dots and hit unblock just like that. So if you can't find the person or you didn't really think about that option, what you can do is go through the menu, and it is important to know that once you unblock the person, you may have to follow them again. That way you could still follow them on Instagram and see all their posts and stories. So if you want to go and find your block list and do it that way, you can go ahead to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner here and go to the three lines at the top right corner. And from here, you just want to scroll down until you see where you see your blocked list. And from here, you just want to hit unblock. Really easy. It will ask you to confirm and you hit unblock, and that's it. That's how you would go about unblocking someone on Instagram. And if you wanted to follow them, you would have to go find their profile and follow them once again. And that's it.